Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove friends on Candy Crush Saga. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush. Then after opening where your levels are there, you can see at the top center a profile icon. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of me and friends. Where tap on friends. Here you can see the option of your friends. Tap on the friend you want to remove. I want to remove player. Then over here you can see last 7 days level, wow, blah blah blah, send live, send requests. At the bottom you can see a person and minus sign and written unfriend. Tap on it. Then your friend will be removed. Here they'll ask you, removing a friend means not seeing this person in game or being able to send or receive lives to each other. Unfriend now. I don't want to, I'm just showing Ember. Then tap on yes. There you go, you can see the player has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such